Add X and Y labels to a pandas plot. Suppose I have the following code that plots something very simple using pandas. How do I easily set X and Y labels while preserving my ability to use specific color maps? I notice that the plot wrapper for pandas data frames doesn't take any parameters specific for that.
The df.plot function returns a matplotlib.axis.axisUpplot object. You can set the labels on that object. Or, more succinctly, x.sets label equals x label, y label equals y label. Alternatively, the index x-axis label is automatically set to the index name, if it has one. So df2.index.name equals x label would work too.
You can use do it like this. Obviously you have to replace the strings label and label with what you want them to be.
If you label the columns and index of your data frame, pandas will automatically supply appropriate labels. In this case, you'll still need to supply Y labels manually, for example, via plt.alabel as shown in the other answers.
In Pandas version 1.10 you can use parameters label and a label in the method plot.
It is possible to set both labels together with axis.set function. Look for the example.